Talk to my scale, now way up they cake. Drive by, so I slide in the race. 6'4" the engine, no toy can I chase. Don't talk to me different, me score in the face. Intelligent, different just cause of my race. Pockets on swole, I ain't pumping no weights. Love the bad round trip from LA. Exotic the buzz, so exotic my taste. Make a little search and start my. So we had to go switch out. Go get in this fast shit. We on the way. We on the way to go fix my boy subframe on the Scat.
We gotta get him right,
Scat.
man. We gotta get him right. We riding in there fast shit. You know
what I'm saying? Look,
we got bro.
How many miles? 65.
Come on, bro. Nobody scold like us, nigga. It got a little check engine light cause it got some pipes on it. We're gonna let y'all hear that later. It's so it ain't really got no catalytic converters.
Ain't no problems on the hoe for real. Ain't no major.
We don't get bullshit, man. We don't get bullshit. We don't get bullshit. We got a couple things to do today.
Mainly get that subframe done. It's gonna take about an hour or two.
Shit.
An hour, 2 or 3.
I don't know how fucking long it's gonna take. I think that shit gonna take a little minute though.
Earn the can. I wonder what the fuck we made this.
You know what's going on, yeah.
It says,
Hear that?
line that bitch up. 312. So you just ain't gonna look
See that weekend.
We gonna burn his head with that earn the can.
I'm gonna do something to his ass.
Earn the can.
Look down on him. He's riding on him.
My boy running now.
Damn. Good hell sound so good.
That hoe sound good as hell. But y'all see that hoe already running, man. It really don't even need too many major fixes. But we finna get that hoe running even hard. Cause y'all know how we get down. Red.
Yo, what y'all doing?
Man, y'all see her trying to get over lane, man. Nigga.
Yo, see.
That whole poppin', we got a little Cam. What's up, little Cam? What's up with it, little Cam? Gotta fuck with the community. Gotta fuck with the kids.
You know, we gotta fuck with the kids.
Yes, sir. We just made it to this motherfucker. Look at them motherfucking bad boys. Big boy pipes. Big boy. G37S. Y'all see we in coupe, sunroof. And my boy Key Shiesty in here. My boy over there clutching on me? Nah, that boy stay having it on him. Stop playing with him. Red seats. Y'all see we do not ride regular shit, man. We be in fast shit only.
Get on.
Come on now, brother. Hey, thanks. Full of side. Hey, supply. We went to the right place. I might need to grab me some shit up in here.
My friend, the stupid and tell me what's the size of the rim.
Ah, 20.
Telling me
My boy, he go crazy.
The size of the rim is 20.
60.
Hey, them hoes thick as hell.
This 275 40. You see how tall it is?
I'm doing what I heard, man. Hard side.
Look, just look right
Man, we might have tried to give us some monster truck tires. On God, so we can find that hoe. What we looking for?
Look, 275 30.
What size you think?
These 30. This was
What size you think gonna last a little minute?
50s. Here go 45. Look at
Them hoes do look good.
245, 45, 20.
It's good to add meat on it. Shit, that bitch wide. And then we can look at the 50s
Get
too.
one. Get this.
This 245, 45. This 40. Wait, you said 275, man.
225.
Nah, hold on.
Small.
These 245. We supposed to be 275.
That right here. 275 right here. Look, nigga.
Okay. Here goes 35.
275, 30, 20.
30.
275, 35, 20.
285, 30.
We go 275, 35, 20.
It's too small.
That's too
It needs
small.
to be 45 or bigger.
So we looking for this number right here. That hoe gotta be 45. You gotta have some thick ties. We don't want nothing
I
small.
don't want no bullshit, man.
No
You know, we plugged in, we at the warehouse here.
You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't come to the warehouse. Niggas go to the tie shop and shit. We ain't going to the tie shop. We come straight to the warehouse where they manufacture these motherfuckers at. We want brand new shit. So we trying to break the road. So we need brand new
These
shit.
275, 45. You see now? Keep them hoes in. Them hoes gonna be.
We finna head up out of here though. We finna go and load these tires up. We finna shoot to our spot. Get them motherfucking subframe up and running. So y'all just stay tuned.
These little 60,000 miles, boy. What?
Hours later.
Jumper too lit over there.
No, go get Jam on the camera.
Nah, why you turn it on? Why you turn the music on?
Jumper too. Hold on, not Jumper matching me. Jumper matching. Oh, not us matching Lil
Oh, I
Jumper.
bought this online.
Lil Jumper, what you trying to think like me and Lil Jumper?
Come on now.
Oh,
No,
that is-
I'm gonna put my ace on though.
Yeah, my bad. I'm my family.
What?
What's up with him, Mom?
Shit, bro.
Yeah, you ain't good. I got some rooms on the way though.
Yeah.
Why you hate?
It's like your ring.
Who? What's your diamond? Your Tesla. Yeah, with your Tesla.
Got a little car in this bit, huh?
Your Tesla?
Yeah, I drunk that kush shit.
Don't be careful.
Yeah, you came out here with that $400. Look,
$400?
$400.
Who got $400? Come on now. Come on now.
$400.
Come on now.
Give me these bold uppercuts, man. You know what's going on.
Come on now. Oh, the wind blowing my shit.
Lil Jumper finna
Ain't
drive
no
that
backup
fast
camera?
shit. Nah, ain't no backup camera.
You got a little jump up in the fan,
Oh
man.
God, Jumper driving that fast shit. Oh, she already finna fuck up.
Oh.
Oh.
Y'all need some brakes.
And slide that motherfucker. Hey, y'all some hoes too, fool.
Why you say
I
that?
seen hella video
I
y'all.
wasn't in the car with them. What's that? Yo, running.
She having too much fun in there. Hoe.
Yo, running.
Club, 12 o'clock. In the morning?
Found out Lil Jumper put that hoe in manual. Y'all better got the oh shit, oh.
I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, running.
What you think, Lil Jumper?
Yo, running, ain't it?
What you think on that jump?
So motherfucking
That
fast.
hoe fast as hell.
This whole fast as hell. I ain't gonna lie.
Come on, y'all gonna catch us out $5,000.
4,500. This is not bad.
45.
45.
45.
4,500. This is not bad.
Not bad.
I got the 3K right now. Right?
Bro. Big stomach, guy.
This hoe running, ain't it?
Don't do 6 red shit when she's
I
pregnant.
gotta put it in my pocket. Oh, camera.
Cam in the car. Cam trying to roll up. Cam, what you rolling up, bro? You ain't rolling up dead shit,
I
bro.
roll straight that shit. Ops.
Man, he said he's smoking dead, man, bro. What that is right there, bro?
Shit sticking to my
Tell him.
We're at B's house.
What it is?
You an hour late to the get together.
Oh, two, look,
Play two.
For them 14s? Yeah. Let me see that shirt.
Hold on,
again.
two got
Silver pants,
the
ain't
whole
it?
too.
Yeah, she got them on her right now.
Oh,
Nah,
that's
you need to have gray pants. No, black pants.
Hit you with that.
KB, what's up with the guest? What's up with the camera, man? No, going out. So you on? You in the vlog right now,
You on the
too?
vlog right now too. Get you some black stack jeans, fool, with them
Black.
shoes.
Stamp that. Ooh.
Go to another store too.
Where you at?
She can get off with some dark gray jumps though. She really can.
Oh yeah,
Where you at?
dark gray?
You can get off with some dark gray jumps for sure.
Got no dog gray.
Ah, you hit.
Damn.
Them
Get the
silver
silver
pants
then.
don't go. I'm telling y'all.
Get
Them
them.
silver
Just
don't
go and get them.
Get the silver just, but not that shirt. Pick another shirt.
Excuse me, excuse me.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay.
Buddy. You know, say so to the vlog. You know what I'm saying? We vlogging.
Hi, y'all.
You know
Welcome
what's
to
going on.
Angel 4th birthday party.
Stay out there.
Woo!
What's up? What's up?
Doing it well.
Stay out there. Angel. Happy birthday. Elbow. So what's up?
What's up?
We here. Yo, stay out there.
Happy birthday, Miss Angel.
Y'all see what's going on? We got some bird right here. We got some bird on the grill. We got some bird in that grease. You know what's going on? Wale, where the perks at? I realize, man, this shit funny as hell.
He's there taking our ass straight under.
Stop it, hey.
Get
You
the
ever made a bitty hit her knees? No.
Hey, play your joint right now on the vlog so they can hear this shit, man.
Huh?
That might say why about cat.
Why about cat can't crank on her? I'm finna go and play.
Stay out there.
Damn.
Hey, bro, get your stupid ass off the ground, bro. With some white pants on, you fucking idiot.
Damn. What the fuck you talking to him? What you talking to him?
I said, hey, bro, stop running the grass, bro. Hey, bro, get out the grass, bro. That might steady. He got white jeans on, but he got white people here. Bro.
Yeah, he just really, he know better. He know better. It's just, with them boys, you gotta go and talk a little rougher. He gonna understand this shit in the long run.
Hey, put my nigga on the vlog. Come here.
We got little bro in here. Look at him, this Fortnite god, bro. Roblox god, bro.
Where we on?
Yeah. And then I got Angel all the gold eggs. Stop playing. Angel, I don't know, but she got most of them. We trying to find them something for her.
The gold didn't have no money in it.
Yes, they do.
I got the money in.
Yes, they do.
I got all the gold in.
Ah, Mariah over here cuffing them. Who got them? You got them?
Yep.
He got the big money joint. He got the big money joint, I think. How much you get? How much you get?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Somebody got the big money joint. Where is it?
That's him.
I think
You got the gold eggs.
somebody got that gold joint. Huh?
What you mean? Hell yeah. I got $5.
We feel like fuck this shit. Hey, they got all them joints.
Into the cold, all these hoes for the street.
Yo.
Open her nose, let's go make up this evening. This nigga's cold, ain't gon' wake up in this street. You can hear this switch, but you can't hear the bitch.
Yo.
Told you I can breathe. I haven't done this. I know how to put this together.
I need my lip.
2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh God.
Come back.
She ain't going. She ain't playing with the ice cream and shit. We finna get us some of this ice cream down in the car. Cause I'm finna give me some of this shit. Wanna stand tall, y'all know what I mean.